we could talk a little bit about SPACs, because I see you're active once again on this. I don't want to call it the SPAC attack, but on Twitter.
Look, we do have we have the joy of Fisker and the Adam Jonas piece this morning. I'm looking at my old friend John Ledecky's Northern Star Investment Corp popping, and there's always a lucid pop. I find it to be exciting. It's almost prurient, right? I mean, can we really think that it's right up there with trying to figure out what's going to happen today with Disney? I think the answer is that we have to give everybody both, Andrew, and that's what we're trying to do. And you guys are doing it unbelievably well.
So the question, well, I think there's two questions. Do you think that investors should be investing at the SPAC level, meaning right now? So we were just looking at Churchill for a second. Or do you think that the better investment is to wait, see what they buy, and then buy on the other side of the D-SPAC? It seems to me, I will tell you, that buying in on the SPAC is not a terrible idea, and most of those folks have actually made a decent amount of money, not like the sponsors, of course. On the D-SPAC side, on a relative basis to an IPO index, they've actually underperformed.
Well, Andrew, your deal book piece was the best on it. I know you also were informed by the excellent Michael Sembelis analysis, because you mentioned it in the piece, and I loved your piece. JP Morgan, exactly. And there's no distance between you and me. That's exactly what I think. And that was a primer for everybody. It's also an exciting piece that you did. So, yes, there's no doubt about it. If the earlier, the better. And as it goes on, it just becomes another investment, actually has underperformed other investments. So I think that that's very, very important to point out. And you did that, and I appreciate it. People should read your piece.
You want to own Disney today?
Yes, still. Absolutely. It's one of the biggest positions in my channel, just maybe the biggest. Christine McCarthy, there's the CFO there. She's extraordinary. I mean, she's extraordinary. They kept by their FY 2024, which I like. I think that there's still a lot to go. I understand that Tom Rogers may say Netflix. I think that Disney's maybe one of the greatest brands ever. They make money even when they're closed. How do you do that? How do you do that, Andrew? I don't know. Fair
enough. Jim, we will see you and the gang in just a couple minutes on Squawk on the Street.
Guys,
Great to see you.
Thank you.
Hold on. Jim, one other thing.
Sure,
you had two big things happen this week. You had your birthday.
Yeah.
You had your birthday, and you had the shot. How are you feeling?
I have to tell you, liberation of the shot versus, say, maybe an hour of fatigue, take it. The birthday, because I was very hurt I had a tough accident. It was joyous, and so many people have reached out. And I'm so happy to be here. And thank you for your reach out, of course.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.